Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about your fire protection plan. And some of you going, fire protection plan? Yeah, if you don't have a fire protection plan, you need to get one. But for those of you that do, you need to practice your fire protection plan. Because hey, we're coming out of winter time. We're going to be doing stuff outdoors, including barbecuing. If you have maybe have a fire pit, doing some outdoor cooking and stuff, or just have a fire going in the evening that's nice and relaxing and keeps the kids, grandkids, whatever, everybody happy and stuff. Do you have your fire protection plan, including that source of flames? What do you do if there's an accident? That's what you need to work on for your fire protection plan. Make sure it's all-encompassing and covers all aspects of fire. Because like any tool, fire is good unless it gets mistreated or it's not used properly. All right. Now, some others of you who have large pieces of land and use fire to burn off the weeds along fences, fields, and other things, and you need to have a fire protection plan set up that includes all that in it as well. All right, so let me check my notes here. Yeah, okay. So with that, think about updating your fire protection plan, practicing it, making sure everyone in the family knows all the aspects of your fire protection plan and how to respond to a fire event. All right. Also, think about planting an indoor garden. We got a challenge coming up next year, and now's the time to practice growing stuff indoors. Because what you think may grow indoors may not grow well indoors. Or like I found out, cabbage is not a good indoor crop because it gets too big to grow indoors. So I'm taking my cabbages from my indoor garden and I'm planting them outside, and I'm going to be experimenting with other stuff indoors. All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every month. And remember, grow your own food, because you don't want to be eating what they're selling as fresh food at the stores.